Hello my dear students, welcome back to CMI's online classes. In today's class, in this video for the students of Standard 8, we will continue with chapter 7 of our English grammar, the tenses. In the previous videos on this chapter, we have already understood all the present tenses, and from the past tenses we have already understood the simple past tense and the past continuous tense. And in this video from this chapter we are going to understand, we are going to study, we are going to learn the past perfect tense. So in this video we will understand the past perfect tense, the verb forms that we use in the past perfect tense, and how to frame sentences in past perfect tense, in positive form, in negative form, and in interrogative form. Interrogative both negative and positive form. Okay. So as I have told you that to have verbs plus B3 is what? Perfect tenses. To have verbs plus B3 is perfect tenses. जब हम to have verbs को helping verbs की तरह यूज करेंगे और उसके साथ main verbs में B3 form of the verb, past participle form of the verb को हम यूज करेंगे तो वो perfect tense बन जाते हैं. Understood? So we also understood the present perfect tense and the use of verb forms in the present perfect tense, that in present perfect tense in place of to have verbs, from to have verbs we use has or have. That means subject plus has or have plus B3 plus rest of the sentence or rest of the predicate is present perfect tense. So what do we use? Which verb do we use from to have verbs to write the sentences in past perfect tense? That we have to understand here. So the verb forms that we use in past perfect tense to make sentences, to write sentences, is here in positive form. Okay, like subject plus in from to have verbs we use had. Okay, it doesn't matter whether the subject is singular or plural, whether the subjects are singular or plural, we use had after all subjects. Okay, after that past participle form of the verb, that means B3, and rest of the predicate, rest of the sentence. This sentence structure is the sentence structure in positive form when we write sentences in the past perfect tense. Okay, now negative form. Negative form, we already know that the negative sentences are the sentences with no or not. So here, like we understood in our previous tenses, that we put not in between the helping verb and the main verb. What is the helping verb here? Had, and main verb B3. So ये had और B3 के बीच में, had के बाद और B3 के पहले हम not को लगाएंगे तो वो ही affirmative sentence क्या बन जाएगा? Negative sentence बन जाएगा. That means subject plus had plus not plus past participle form of the verb B3 plus rest of the sentence or rest of the predicate is the negative sentence in the past perfect tense. Understood? Now interrogative form. When we write interrogative sentences in the past perfect tense, what should be the sentence structure? As we all know that when we write interrogative sentences by using helping verbs come at the beginning of the sentence. So what is the helping verb here? Had. So in place of helping verb we already have had here. So had plus subject plus past participle form of the verb, B3. So whenever we make question sentences by using helping verbs, subjects come in between the helping verb and the main verb. Okay, so see here. So this is the sentence structure of past perfect tense in interrogative form. Interrogative sentences in negative, positive form. This is positive. Now when you change this interrogative sentence in past perfect tense into negative interrogative form, it will become subject plus helping verb had plus subject plus now. Before this main verb we have to use not. Subject plus had plus not plus past participle form of the verb plus rest of the sentence or rest of the predicate is the sentence structure of negative interrogative sentence. Understood? We will practice this in the later part of this video, in the later part of this class. But first we will understand what are the uses of the past perfect tense. That means what kind of actions are expressed in the past perfect tense. Let us understand from this explanation. See, number one, we use the past perfect tense to talk about an action that was completed before a given moment in the past. Okay. So, कुछ समय दिया गया हुआ है, लेकिन उस समय से पहले अगर काम हुआ है तो ऐसे कामों को हम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में. ओके, काम कंप्लीट हुआ है लेकिन कुछ समय दिया गया था उस काम को लिए, लेकिन उस काम से पहले वो पहला वाला काम हो चुका है, तो हम ऐसे कामों को पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. ओके, लाइक द गेस्ट turned up after we had cut the cake. So we can also write we had cut the cake after the guest turned up. So here we have to understand the order of tenses. Okay, like this sentence is in simple past tense. So simple past tense is followed by the past perfect tense, or past perfect tense is followed by the simple past tense. Like we had cut the cake when the guest, after the guest turned up. Okay, like Tara and Jia came home after everyone had gone to bed. After everyone had gone to bed, Tara and Jia came home, like this. Understood? So we have to understand the main sentence structure is subject plus, this sentence is in past perfect tense, subject plus had plus cut, B3. Cut is B1 also, B2 also, B3 also. Understood? So here subject, everyone is subject, had plus gone. Gone is the B3 form of the verb go. Now let us understand the another explanation. We use the past perfect tense with words like suppose, want, hope, expect, think, etc. to suggest that an expected action did not take place. For example, okay, so हम past perfect tense को उस समय भी इस्तेमाल करेंगे, like when we use the past perfect tense with the words like, जब हम suppose, want, hope, expect, think ये सब लगाकर एक सेंटेंस बनाएंगे to suggest that an expected action did not take place. जो जिस काम का एक्सपेक्टेशन किया गया था वो काम नहीं हुआ. ओके, ऐसे कामों को बयां करने के लिए भी हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. वी हैड गॉन देयर होपिंग ही वुड टर्न अप. ओके, टर्न अप मीन्स चेंज. ओके, वी हैड गॉन देयर, हम वहां गए थे, होपिंग ही वुड टर्न अप, ये आशा लेकर कि वो बदलेंगे. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ आई हैड थॉट ऑफ गोइंग टू नैनीताल बट देन आई डिसाइडेड अगेंस्ट इट. आई हैड थॉट, but whatever I had thought, it did not happen, because afterwards I decided against it, means whatever I had decided, I did not take that decision. Okay, मैंने सिर्फ सोचा था. तो इस तरीके के एक्शंस को भी हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. ओके, नाउ सी हियर, if the exercise is the exercise is here, exercise K. Complete the sentences with the past perfect form of the words given in the brackets. So in brackets, options are given here, verb forms are given here. So we have to use the correct form of these verbs given here. Like we have already understood, subject plus had plus B3. This is the structure of sentences in the past perfect tense, but in positive form. So not do, this is negative. So the children not do their homework, so they were in trouble. So not do नेगेटिव है, तो नेगेटिव में क्या होगा? आई टोल्ड यू दैट आफ्टर हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स एंड बिफोर द मेन वर्ब वी यूज not. So what is the helping verb here in the past perfect tense? Had. So after if the helping verb is had, so after helping verb we have to use not. Had not. No, and I have already told you after has, have, had we have to use B3. What is the B3 of do? Done. That means the children had not done their homework, so they were in trouble. So this is the sentence in negative form in the past perfect tense. Okay. So not eat. They dash not eat all day, so we went to a restaurant. So not eat again. Had not eaten. They had not eaten all day, so we went to a restaurant. Now see here, I not have. So I dash not have breakfast when he arrived. That means I had not had. I had not had. So past perfect tense है तो had helping verb होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर have main verb भी है तो have का have, जब हम have को main verb की तरह यूज करते हैं तो have का B3 फॉर्म क्या है? had ही है. So I had not had breakfast when he arrived. Okay. मैंने उस समय खाना नहीं खाया था जब वो आया. Understood? Now he dash not use. So again he had not used. I hope you have understood how to do the rest of the exercises. But here, now we will understand how to change the sentences into negative and interrogative. Like here, the children, if you see the first sentence, we will try to change this sentence into positive. The children had not done their homework. See, the children had done their homework. If you take this single sentence, this sentence is in past perfect tense. How? The children, subject, had, from have verbs, helping verb, now done, B3, rest of the sentence, their homework. So subject plus had plus B3 plus rest of the sentence. This sentence is in positive form in the past perfect tense. Now change this sentence into negative form. Negative form means helping verbs और main verb के बीच में not लगाना. तो The children had not done their homework. This is negative. Now change this sentence into interrogative. So interrogative में भी मैंने बताया कि interrogative both positive और negative होते हैं. So see, जब हम interrogative sentence बनाते हैं helping verbs के द्वारा, तो helping verbs सबसे पहले आते हैं. तो helping verb क्या है? had है. तो उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स और मेन वर्ब के बीच में सब्जेक्ट आते हैं, तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद सब्जेक्ट आना चाहिए. हैड द चिल्ड्रेन, द चिल्ड्रेन क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है. ओके. डन B3, तो मेन वर्ब हुआ, हेल्पिंग वर्ब हुआ, तो बीच में क्या हुआ? सब्जेक्ट हुआ. हैड द चिल्ड्रेन डन देयर होमवर्क. सो दिस सेंटेंस is in interrogative form in the past perfect tense, but in positive form. Positive interrogative sentence in past perfect tense. Now change the same sentence into negative interrogative sentence in past perfect tense. So here we have to use not before the main verb. Okay, and after the subject. Now see, had the children not done their homework? So this sentence is the negative interrogative sentence in past perfect tense. Okay students, like when I arrived the film dash start. Now this is in positive form. The film had started. The film had started. Subject plus had plus B3. Okay. Now change the same into negative. The film had not started. The film had not started is negative form. Now change the same into interrogative. Had the film started? Had the film started? Interrogative sentence, positive interrogative sentence. Now negative interrogative sentence. Had the film not started? Had the film not started? So started is the main verb. So before main verb we have to use not in negative interrogative sentence in past perfect tense. Okay. So B3 form of the verb जो main verb है उससे पहले हमें not को use करना है. I hope this explanation has been so much helpful for you all to understand the past perfect tense, to understand the kind of actions that we express in the past perfect tense, and the verb forms that we use in the past perfect tense. Which helping verbs do we use? Which form of main verbs do we use in past perfect tense? How to frame sentences, positive sentences in past perfect tense. How to change the positive sentences in past perfect tense into negative sentences, and interrogative sentences, both positive and negative form. But still, if you have any kind of doubts, kindly raise your doubts in the class and clarify everything. Okay, this much for today's class, my dear students. Thank you so much for being the part of my today's class. Thank you so much.